this to the youth, man. Me tell us that them wicked, man. Them wicked. Simple thing like that for trigger such heartless crime. Yeah? Simple thing like that.
But him. No Tiger saying that he's your guy. I kind of understand where Scott is coming from, and I'm gonna kind of feel it for him now, because at least he give us a few information smartly, because he give us clue. Cause he said he don't want to get in people business. That means something happened, and he said he don't want people come and unalive him. So he give us loads of clues, so we kind of can ease up on him, because if someone is a gangster in the area and they hear him say something like that, they're gonna come for him, and everyone knows it's his daughter. So I can understand his point, so we can kind of ease up on him a little bit.
Yo, the boss up on the mic and go and chit chat, man. Go and talk.
To be honest, you know, I mean, I really talk about him like give him a chance, you know, because the way he come out on the live and talk to Tiger and thing, you know. Yeah, me not talk about something and moreover, him and afraid people are my friend from a long time, you know. Right? He could have passed on the information to somebody else when everything just start. Right? So me not talk about ease up on him now. All of them accessory
but he give us loads of clues, you know.
Yeah, man. What's the really care?
He give us loads of clues.
I said to say, me have some more information. I go drop. For everybody down a Newport and Newfield, the piece of shit name begins with P. In alias name begins with P. Me drop that are the last information for today. Tomorrow, I tell them say I go run the picture with Tommy come out of the yard before the end of the month. I'm going to show me the timestamp on it. So tell them say to link me. I don't know, link me by me out, link me to see how me can beg for you.
Tiger, me there, me house. I hear you. Me don't know if me really are hear food or me hand, me kind of the fish. Tell me where they take out it completely. Say she not have nothing to do with it and she can't drive. I really she in a picture going to the yard in a vehicle.
Left out a fear yard now and black yard. Left out a fear yard now and black yard.
Every time when Tiger get close to a point, there's someone come and take him off it, because Tiger been talking about this. Only God can tell him is not this girl. Go pick her up at the hospital, and his people contact Tiger and tell him that she don't drive car. That make Tiger change his mind. As I keep telling Tiger, when he got his point, them stop make these people call up and try to switch your mind, mate. Cause that's what they're doing. Every time hit the point, every time hit the nail on the head, someone come and distract you.
Never say no for real, you know. Tiger, the dip on her long and hard, and on her neck, Tiger, they stand up, you know. And then everybody have come out and make Tiger know, say,
yes.
Drive, she
no drive.
She this, she that.
Yeah, man. And just food, when hit the food and the nail for the food prove it say someone pick him up or him go home. See, the principal try to come distract him from the box food again.
One king.
Up.
I the bless.
I hear me. I hear me playing and clear.
Dan, mute. Darren, mute your mic. Where you say bad boss?
Yeah, you see the Jayden case, yeah?
Yeah.
If me did don't get the side, I solve the case a long time, brother. I solve the case like this already, you know. Remember me, I'm a police officer, I'm a soldier. But you see my style and my method where I go use. But I solve this long time. I follow the case from them time, you know. Yeah, tell you say I solve the case a long time. For my style and for my method, I solve it a long time. Long time, brother. I'm going to trust me when you hear me talk that. I mean, I have to go through no whole details. So I just come for your life.
So where that do? Can I share it a little bit? I can know where that do.
I'm a own style, man. Me I do my own law. Me not kill nobody, you know, but I play my own law, me I deal with. I mean, know how to do it. Because I do it once.
Yeah, but in a salvage, so
Yes.
so anything is right now we're still up on it, you know, so telling where you can do for where you can do that now. What can you do for encourage you? Where can we go? What can we do? And then something they want to know. So you telling me say yeah, MI5 and FBI, not go really.
Listen what me I say to you. Listen what I say. Listen what me I say. Me go up and case a big and this and get breakthrough. And me will tell you how. There's so many people involved in this. And you see number one, the police ain't not doing no work. Because you don't see police them pick up nobody. Steal information out of people. Because all the people they there talk, you know. You hear me?
Yeah, me I listen to you.
Yeah, me I see a whole bunch of people they talking about they not get no squeeze. And the other local youth will live in the yard with Jaden. The other local youth. The local youth will live in the yard with Jaden. Then I talk the one I put. I talk the we say him will tell him 40 man to go to school. He don't have to go to school or something like that.
Goatee name, Goatee.
Goatee, alright. You see him know a lot, you know. And let me tell you my style, how I work. Because I work with a team about 5 people, you know. Me personally, would have pick him up. Tell you how we do for everything. We have pick him up, I get pick up. And he will go under for command. So now we are still better, but just how we do it. So now we, but that's how we do
I
it.
don't have anything close by there when I kidnap him long time as well.
Well, me don't know about somebody have to get took up. Even my mother, but I take up somebody already. And when I say I take them up, you know, I take them up and alive them, you know. But me have to get everything out of them. Everything have to come out of them.
God be the glory, the great things He has done.
Yeah. I tell you, say, brother, enough time I listen to them talk about Jayden and me brother, me run your water, you know. When you believe what I say to me, say me run your water.
Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord.
Because we know say them that say look youth, you know. Style look youth, you know better still. When they can't go chop him and can't know now. Say my go and that the road and whatever. Yeah. So you know better.
Let the people read.
And they put in trust in them, can trust them anyway.
The little boy don't even finish him food, bro. The little boy not even finish him food. The little boy eating food and then call the little boy, hey man. We just can't see the little boy face at the moment when they realize what
Why go in and save my box? Why go in and save my pan and take out money and buy burger and chicken and no go so. They might look alibi about the
first statement we should have known, say. That was the first statement we know, say, the family, because that is an ABC a family would have come with if they analyze their kid and they know something about it. Say the kid take money. That's an ABC statement.
About him take money and run away. Brother, you know, me say, hey, me say, brother, every time, me dey listen on a long time, you know. I mean, I tell you, say, me have to just wipe the tears off of me before me come back in life. Them syndicate out here, then syndicate out. A whole lot of people know where I go on, and a one or two, whole lot of people know where I go on. But everybody tightly. But as me tell you, all we do for work, we have to pick up somebody, you know. And we have to get what we want out of them. Because them have to talk. Everything we know, them have to talk.
So T, be careful and post up that bleach out face boy the picture, you know, cause we need to see him picture, you know. Be careful and post it up, please.
Yes, my brother. Trust me, man. Trust me, man. They style a look youth and alive a look youth, man. What? Look boy in the yard and I play with somebody and if foot get broke, brother, and alive a look youth for that. No, man.
True, man.
What you talk about, brother? Just a look broke foot. Give boy look out the belt out the waist and give boy some lick, man. If you makes like that.
But I think it's deeper than that, you know. She see something on the camera. If she come out and analyze the little boy, it's deeper than that. She see something on the camera.
The feet are too speedy. The feet are too feel so.
I think someone in the house abused the little boy. The little boy foot down broke. It's actually abuse. Trust me.
Yeah,
That me think to speedy.
Remember, she said, see, when in that foreign, see everything we go on the house.
Yes. And he blatantly first she said the doctor take off the pampers first thing. We know our pampers still that the side part of the pampers is narrow. You don't have to take off the pampers, you can see right up to the hip and the leg and everything. You can see it by the side of the pampers.
Right.
So when she said the first thing the doctor do is pull off the pampers, some kind of abuse go on there.
Yeah, man. That me think to speedy for honestly.
Come on one mission, you know. She come on a mission here, and she fulfill her mission and move. But me back up and where I say something serious going on the house.
Them are nearly talking to him because them are come say he must say him Jaden must say always a watch gay film and all and kind of something there and blah blah. So them a give into this little thing. Some abuse go on about there, bro. I'm telling you, some proper abuse go on with the baby about there.
Oh my God.
Yeah, only that could make so much people join up and ready to get involved and didn't say anything because someone will believe. I'm not saying do it, I'm not do it because I wasn't there, but someone abused the baby, and that's what get the family so mad, and that's why so many people get involved in it and keep them out.
Yeah. Them know what I want, but them not talk, you know.
Yes. Cause if it's something simple like this, a broke foot and him does the baby a play and him does move. So much people who don't comply with it. Everybody said to her, said, "No man, you can't beat him for that. That's nah." But because it's something serious, that's why so much people involved in it. Trust me. But choose so much emotion running in this case at the moment, and so many people emotional about Jaden and thing. But we actually have to know what they see on that camera. And I actually sure say they see some abuse on that camera.
Yeah.
Hey, Speedy. And I mean, I go on this apart, you know. That's why you hear Mr. T come with it. And so then if you take with Jaden from Wednesday, because Jaden are coming with chocolate and things. So you see things that my Jaden are coming with?
Yes.
You want to put in the words, but you don't want to come with it plain and straight.
No, but we can't just say just put it, you know. This thing can happen for true, you know. The baby can get abused by him for true, you know. We have to actually put emotion aside. I not say that give him no right, but that can be the reason why them do it, you know. To know say yes. That's why from time me sure say them. Because they know say there is no mother is going to come and hurt the body.
One of the guys we used to over TikTok before, right? He messaged me and said to me that he was on a game. The game where you can play and people come up in it. I don't remember what his name. And him screenshotting.
Yeah, I know the game man when they say, well, if a game man they're on a trouble.
Yeah.
Roadblock.
And he's roadblock.
Yeah.
He's screenshotting roadblock. The name. We text him and said to himself. Jaden a fish. And him asked the fish, you know that. And he said this cause all of that. And then he said to the person, say, "Oh, are you a good man?" Say, "Oh," and the person jumped.
Yeah man, something up there because they take time to push it out. Mr. T talk about the food and someone a groom him, and them are talk about him watching porn and this kind of thing. It's something serious happening in that house because there's no mother is going to fly from America for us. Oh, a little boy move and the little boy foot broke. Something serious. Go on, Tiger.
You see all that big dirty grass matter and call him Omar Thompson. Me have evidence now. I'm telling you something. The same time Pitney tell me sitting, me now go run it, you know. I like a Pitney tell me say Mr. T beat Jayden, man. All independent drug is still a beat him. You know, them got better. What the primary school name? Mr. T, man, will give Jayden some serious licking, brother. So me no want Mr. T come here with him all grasp myself and come tell me nothing, bro. Mr. T, me get that from out of mouth of a